In this video, I'll be showing you how to add captions in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this is going to be very useful so that you can have captions if you're making something like a short form video or anything like that. So there's two different ways to do it. There's like auto captions, and there's also captions that you could go ahead and use if you just want to do something custom. So what you want to do firstly, we can just use the text tool right here, which is the type tool. And then we could just go ahead and, highlight a part of the video. And then we could just type in whatever we want. So if I just wanted to type in something like and subscribe, like this. And then over here, I could basically edit it to whatever I want, make it look however I want as well. So for example, I could just do something like this. I can center it in the middle, make it a lot bigger. And the cool thing is that, there's so many different things you could do. Like, I can have a shadow on it as well if I want it just to look a bit more like it's popping. And yeah, there's honestly so much you could do. I could obviously move it around as well. But what I could also do is go to a text tab right here, and I could have a transcript. So if there's like anyone talking or anything like that, I could just go over here. It's going to show me the transcript because it automatically does it. Then press this create captions button, choose captioning preferences. And then, I could just choose, well, I have different styles already because I've saved some. So if I want to do something like YouTube subtitles, then I would just press create captions right here. And then that's it. I'd be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.